Hello and welcome to Slow and Steady English. Today we will learn simple English words and sentences about the Internet, Wi-Fi, password, and mobile data. Anna, Daniel, and Leo will show us how to use the Internet at home, in the park, and in a cafe. Listen carefully and repeat the sentences with them. You will learn how to say, "What is Wi-Fi?" How to connect to Wi-Fi. How to ask for a password. What to do when Wi-Fi is slow. Now watch the story and learn with Leo. And here is a question for you. What is the Wi-Fi password at the cafe? Write your answer in the comments below. Let's begin our lesson.
Dad! The internet is not working!
Good morning, Leo. Say good morning first.
Oh, good morning, Dad, but the internet is not working!
Okay. Let me check.
Good morning, Leo. Sit down and eat your breakfast first.
But, Mom, I want to watch my cartoon!
Breakfast first. Cartoon after.
Okay.
The router is off. One moment.
What is a router, Dad?
A router is a small machine. It gives us Wi-Fi at home.
Oh, and Wi-Fi gives us the internet?
Yes, Wi-Fi is the internet at home. Without Wi-Fi, we have no internet.
Is it like magic?
Yes, a little bit like magic. There, the light is green now. That means it is connected.
Connected? What does connected mean?
Connected means the internet is working, like when we are together. We are connected.
Oh, I understand.
Yes, it is working now. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Mom.
You are welcome. Now, eat your eggs.
Yes, Dad. Mom, what are you doing?
I'm sending an email to Grandma.
What is an email?
An email is a letter, but we send it on the internet. It is very fast.
Faster than a real letter?
Much faster. A real letter takes many days. An email takes 1 second.
Wow. Can I send Grandma a message too?
Yes. Come here, sit with me.
Hello, Grandma. I love you.
Beautiful. Now press this button. This is send.
Send. Okay, is she reading it now?
Maybe, if she is online.
Online? What is online?
Online means connected to the internet. Offline means not connected.
So right now, we are online?
Yes, we are online because our Wi-Fi is working.
And Grandma, is she online?
I do not know. We will wait and see.
She answered. Grandma is online.
Yes, she is online.
Dad, my tablet says no Wi-Fi. I cannot watch anything.
That is right. There is no Wi-Fi here in the park.
So I have no internet?
Well, Dad has the internet on his phone, even without Wi-Fi.
How?
My phone uses mobile data. It is internet from the phone company, not from a router at home.
Mobile data? Is it the same as Wi-Fi?
They both give you internet, but Wi-Fi is for home. Mobile data works everywhere, in the park, on the bus, in the street.
Can I use your phone, Dad?
Not now. We are outside. Look at the trees. Look at the sky. No screens right now.
Okay.
Dad, look at that sign. Free Wi-Fi.
Oh yes, some places have free Wi-Fi. Cafes, restaurants, libraries.
Free? We do not pay?
No, we do not pay, but we need the password.
A password? Like a secret word?
Yes, a Wi-Fi password is a secret word. Only people in that place can use it.
Can we go to the cafe? I want the secret word.
Okay. Let us go for a juice.
Excuse me, what is the Wi-Fi password?
Of course. The password is Sunny Cafe 2024.
Thank you.
Uppercase S, lowercase u, N, N, Y.
You know uppercase and lowercase?
Yes! Teacher taught us. Uppercase is big letters. Lowercase is small letters.
Very good, Leo.
Connected. Yes!
He learned that at school.
Our boy is smart.
Can I download my cartoon now?
Download? Do you know that word?
Yes, download means taking something from the internet to my tablet.
Excellent. That is exactly right.
And do you know upload?
Is it the opposite? Sending something from my tablet to the internet?
Perfect. You are a technology expert now.
I am an expert.
Dad, the internet is very slow.
Again.
My video stops, then starts, then stops again. It is very annoying.
That is called buffering.
Buffering?
When the video stops and waits, that is buffering. It means the internet is slow.
Why is it slow now?
Maybe because we are all using the internet together. You, me, and Mom.
Yes, when many people use the Wi-Fi, it can become slow.
So the Wi-Fi is tired?
Yes, the Wi-Fi is tired. Good way to say it.
I will turn off my tablet and let the Wi-Fi rest.
That is very kind of you, Leo.
Actually, I am tired too.
Then it is time for bed.
Dad, can I watch one more video? Just one?
How many times have I heard that?
Many times?
Many times. Good night, Leo.
Good night, sweetheart.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad. Good night, Wi-Fi.
Great job today! In this episode, you learned useful English words about the internet and Wi-Fi. Now it's your turn to answer these questions. 1. Where did Leo see no Wi-Fi on his tablet? 2. Who explained mobile data to Leo? 3. Where did Leo enter the Wi-Fi password? 4. Was the Wi-Fi fast or slow in the evening? 5. What was the Wi-Fi password at the cafe? Write your answers in the comments. Practice a little English every day, and your confidence will grow step by step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend who is learning English. See you in the next episode of Slow and Steady English.